If your phone's portrait mode keeps turning hair into modern art, it might be time to go mirrorless. These cameras pack serious image quality, fast autofocus, and video chops without the brick-like bulk. In this video to the best mirrorless cameras, we'll sort the specs from the hype and help you pick the right model for travel, portraits, vlogs, and everything in between. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Canon EOS R100, our pick for best budget mirrorless camera. If you're ready to level up from phone photos without signing up for expensive hobby status, the Canon EOS R100 is the budget mirrorless that makes getting started feel easy. You get a 24.1 megapixel advanced photo system Type-C complementary metal oxide semiconductor sensor, which means sharper detail, better clarity, and that natural bokeh that makes your subject pop while the background politely fades into blur. The real win is how portable it is. It's built for mobility, great for travel, family moments, and everyday content when you don't want to carry a brick. Inside, the Digic 8 processor keeps things snappy and helps unlock 4K video, giving you that crisp, modern look without complicated setup. And because it's an interchangeable lens mirrorless, you can grow into it. Start simple now, then upgrade your lenses later when you catch the inevitable lens addiction. For video, you've got options that punch above its price. Shoot 4K at up to 24 frames per second for a cinematic vibe, Full HD at 60 frames per second for smoother motion, and HD up to 120 frames per second when you want slow motion clips that actually look cool instead of choppy. Exposure help is built in too, with evaluative metering plus partial spot and center weighted options. So as you learn, the camera can still keep your shots from turning into a lighting experiment. It's small, affordable, and genuinely capable, perfect for your first real mirrorless setup. Number 4. Canon EOS R50, our pick for best mirrorless camera for content creators. If you're making content and you're tired of your camera acting like it's mostly for weekends, the Canon EOS R50 is built for your daily creator life. You get a 24.2 megapixel advanced photo system Type-C sensor paired with Canon's Digic X processor, so your photos and videos come out sharp, clean, and ready to post without endless fixing. Speed matters when your subject refuses to sit still. The R50 can shoot up to 12 frames per second with the electronic first curtain shutter or up to 15 frames per second with the electronic shutter, so you can catch action, reactions, and those blink and you miss it moments without relying on luck. Low light? Canon's advanced A+ assist helps you out with smarter auto scene options, making night shots and backlit situations less "why is everything grainy?" and more "okay, that actually looks good." For video, it's creator-friendly in all the right ways. You get 6K oversampled, uncropped 4K up to 30 frames per second for crisp detail, plus Full HD up to 120 frames per second when you want smooth slow motion. And the close-up demo mode is a clutch feature for product videos. It automatically snaps focus to whatever you hold closest to the lens, so you're not doing the awkward tap-to-focus dance on camera. And when you're done, built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth make transferring files to your phone quick and painless through the Canon Camera Connect app. Still searching for the perfect mirrorless camera? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Sony Alpha 7 IV, our pick for best full-frame mirrorless camera. If you're ready to step into full-frame life and start capturing work that looks professionally expensive, the Sony Alpha 7 IV is the camera that keeps up with your ambition. You get a 33 megapixel full-frame Exmor-R back-illuminated sensor, so your shots come out detailed, clean, and flexible. Whether you're cropping in, shooting in tricky light, or chasing that crisp, high-end look. Stability is built in too. The sensor shift image stabilization helps smooth out handheld photos and video, which is great when you're moving fast, shooting events, or filming without turning your bag into a tripod collection. Under the hood, Sony's next-gen Bionz XR processor brings serious horsepower, up to 8 times more processing power, so the camera feels quick and responsive when you're shooting bursts, handling high-res files, or bouncing between photo and video like a multitasking maniac. And if you want great color without spending your nights color grading like it's a second job, S-Cinetone is the cheat code. It gives you pleasing cinematic color straight out of the camera, natural skin tones, smooth highlights, and that Sony look that makes your footage feel polished right away. The Alpha 7 IV is a full-frame all-rounder that gives you sharp detail, steadier handheld results, fast performance, and easy cinematic color. So you can focus on creating, not fighting your gear. Number 2. Panasonic LUMIX S5IIX, our pick for best mirrorless camera for video. If video is your main character and your camera keeps tapping out mid-recording, the Panasonic LUMIX S5IIX is the reliable workhorse you've been waiting for. It's built for creators who hit record and actually want to keep recording without panic checking the timer like it's a ticking bomb. Autofocus is where it starts flexing, the phase hybrid. Autofocus is fast and accurate, with advanced subject detection and metering that helps lock onto your subject even when lighting gets messy. Once it grabs focus, it keeps tracking, even if multiple things are moving around, so your footage doesn't turn into a "why is the background sharp and my subject blurry?" situation. And the big win, unlimited video recording and live streaming. Panasonic's heat dispersion setup, using a compact fan and a high-efficiency heatsink, helps the camera stay cool while you keep rolling. That means longer interviews, events, podcasts, and live streams without the dreaded overheating shutdown. You get pro-style endurance in a body that's still compact enough to travel with. You also get sensor shift image stabilization for smoother handheld shots, plus flexible metering options so exposure stays under control, whether you're filming a bright window scene or a moody studio setup. The S5IIX is made for serious video creators, fast-tracking autofocus, stable handheld shooting, and keep rolling recording that won't quit when things get good. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Nikon Z6 III, our pick for best overall mirrorless camera. If you want one mirrorless camera that can handle your quick shoot days and your "this needs to look cinematic" moments, the Nikon Z6 III is the reliable overachiever you'll actually enjoy using. Its sensor shift image stabilization helps keep handheld shots steady, so your footage looks smoother and your photos stay sharper, especially when you're moving fast or shooting in less than perfect light. Evaluative metering also does you a favor by reading the scene intelligently, so you're not constantly fighting exposure when lighting changes mid-take. For video, Nikon gives you some genuinely useful tools instead of gimmicks. High-res zoom adds extra reach without you swapping lenses, up to 2 times digital zoom during HD recording and 1.4 times during 4K. You also get a line-in audio option and pro monitoring tools, which means your sound and levels can be controlled like you're running a serious setup, not just winging it and hoping for the best. The electronic viewfinder is basically daylight-proof. With up to 4,000 nits of brightness, you can see what you're doing even in harsh sun. The 5760K dot resolution and premium optics keep the view crisp and detailed, while up to 120 frames per second refresh makes motion look natural when you're tracking action. Autofocus is where it earns the overall title. With detection down to -10 exposure value and deep learning-enhanced multi-subject recognition, it locks on confidently in very low light, so you spend less time refocusing and more time actually capturing the moment. Well, we made it. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best mirrorless cameras. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which mirrorless camera you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.